how to change the low beam or dip beam bulb on the Volkswagen Golf. So it's this one here on the outside of the car. So to access the dip beam, it's behind this panel here. So I've removed the headlight unit. You don't need to do this. So get to the dip beams. It's this panel here. Just pull this sideways. And just lifts off. You got two tabs there. Just fit in there. So to get to the dip beams, you gotta take off the electrics. They just pull straight off. Like that. Put them out of the way. And the light is held on by these two clips here. So push them in and together to release. So push down and together. And that releases it. Pull it back. Pull your bulb out. Don't touch the actual glass. Get your new bulb. Push together. Spring out into the hooks. And reattach the electrics. Put the back on. And you're done.